Hello everyone, welcome to Sandra's Home Kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade cat food. The reason why we're doing this is because buying tins of cat food can get so expensive even if they are cheap. We worked out that our cats were eating 5 to 6 tins of food a day, so in about a week that can tot up to about £10 a week. And when you're on a small budget like we are, we have to take into consideration on how to cope with this. So we came up with a solution, and we worked out how much it would cost to buy meat like chicken fillets, reduced meat, compared to cat food, and how long it would last. So we bought cheap meat, pulled some out of the freezer that we didn't want anymore, defrosted it, cooked it in stock, minced it, put it into jars, canned it, and the cats seem to be more full now when they're eating, rather than the tin food where they just didn't seem to be satisfied and they were just asking for food all the time, even with dried food. So this has been pretty successful, and enjoy the video.